Hey, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we're going to learn how to download Programming Hub on your phone. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now find and open App Store or Play Store in your device. After that, at the search bar, type in Programming Hub and click on Search. Scroll down a little bit till you see this icon. Click on it and click on Get button. You may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, you can click on Open to use your application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Tap and Open to use Programming Hub on your phone. So that is how you can download Programming Hub in your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.